And if you are opening the switch, that means you are letting this point directly be connected to VDD, so it's going to assume logic 1. So you can control the voltage of that point, being it logic 0 or logic 1, depending on the output control bit that comes out of the output port. You see? So that's the concept of using the input and output ports of a microprocessor to read some mechanical position or to impose some mechanical position. You see? So that's very, very important. Well, this is the most important page here in this this page, page 1 and page 3 are very important pages, and they are relevant to this lecture. Let me continue chapter 4. Yeah, we are in chapter 4 now. We're going to continue chapter 4. Well, I think the last couple of pages are the only ones we haven't covered yet. And this has to do with I/O bit manipulation programming, I/O ports and bit addressability. There is a B set, bit set, bit clear, branch if bit clear, branch if bits set. So there is actually a format for these instructions with a mask byte. There is a mask byte, you see. So a bit set RAM location. Okay, the mask byte determines which bit in the RAM location to set. Okay, the mask byte is to determine which bit in the RAM location to set. The opposite is true for the clear. And there is a branch if bits clear, branch if bits are set. We're going to see some example on that. Let's talk about this one. Bit set. To set high certain bits of a given location using B set memory location and a mask byte, where memory location is any location in the RAM and mask byte has a desired number, as a desired bit number as 1. In other words, the mask byte has some ones and zeros. Wherever you see a 1, the presence of a 1 designates the location. Okay? So the presence of a 1 doesn't mean that the bit is going to be 1. No, it means that this location is the intended location. Again, we're going to see some example for that. But again, I want to establish the concept that the mask byte does not assign values. The mask byte assigns locations. It tells you the whereabouts of what you need to do. And the same is true for the bit clear. Yeah, and branch if set and branch if clear, that's probably self-explanatory. Well, I think that chapter is done. Let me look for some hidden example somewhere. Maybe there is an example somewhere where I can grab this data. Yeah, I found some good example here. Um, yeah, does everybody see the example?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, that's what I meant. This is an example on the bit set and bit clear that I just mentioned. Yeah, that's a very good